love you.
Give me a bear hug, Dad.
Bear hug. I love you, baby.
Now I'm gonna give you a bear hug.
Alright. Give me a kiss. I love you.
My eye.
I love you. Be safe.
Band-Aid.
I love you.
My eye.
That's me, Daddy.
It's closed.
Cause you got hair in it. Feel better?
It's still closed. Bye, Dad.
I love you, baby.
You too, Dad.
Nathan and Tyler here with What's Cracking Outdoors YouTube channel, and today we're going hiking. Come on, guys, you're going with us. And there goes our ride. We are all alone. There's a little swimming hole. All right, everybody, we're starting to make our first really big incline. And if you can't hear my voice, we actually got dropped off a few hours later than I had hoped for. So we're trying to hurry up and get to our campsite before the sun sets. We've got a 2-hour hike to our campsite. So we're just trying to get there as fast as we can. We'll see how this goes. worry about it. We were walking on the trail and I noticed some black walnuts. See if we can find some. Those are rotten. And that's a black walnut. It's about the size of a lemon. And they're everywhere. I'm not sure which ones you should be picking. But we're gonna grab a few and try them out later. Well, we should be getting closer to our campsite. I think we've been hiking now for 6:45, so about an hour and 40 minutes, maybe an hour and 30. Sun's starting to set. We're gonna be pushing it. Well guys, that's probably about 300 or 400 feet down right there. I sure hope we're getting close to our campsite. My hat is literally dripping sweat from the bill. It is so full of sweat. We have been pushing ourselves, y'all. But it feels good. Just really hope we can get set up at our camp before it gets dark. We've got to get our tent set up. We've got to find firewood, get more water. But I think we're almost there. I'm really hoping we're almost there.
A few moments later.
All right, everybody, we just made it to our campsite. It is officially dark. Started getting a little worried there. And I think we're gonna find our campsite before dark. We went ahead and gathered some firewood. I'm gonna go ahead and get our fire started, and then we're gonna set our tent up so we can prepare for dinner. All right, guys, I've got my blast match, which is a ferris rod on a spring, and my cotton ball. I'm gonna try to get this fire started. Turn your light off. There we go. We've got some fire. Finally, let that be fire. All right, we're gonna go ahead and collect some more firewood. This firewood that I started the fire with is a little more wetter than I expected. It took me a little minute to get it going, but she's going. All right guys, we finally got some firewood cut up. Got a decent little amount. We've got some more to cut up. Had to take my shirt off because I am super sweaty. Our shirts are super wet. You see that sweat ring right there on mine? You see who was walking harder, huh? Just kidding. We're about to go ahead and get this tent set up. Get our mats put out and our sleeping bags so we can sit down and relax. My feet are hurting and my beard looks even better. All right, we've got the tent set up. Got our sleeping bags in there and our sleeping mats. Got the fire going pretty good. I'm having to cut some more wood up. But I'm about to go get some water and go ahead and cook our dinner so we can start eating. So I'm hungry. And my feet are hurting. I'm sure I probably said that once already. All right, we've got our water boiling. For dinner, we are having some chicken fried rice. So we'll see how this is gonna taste. Probably won't be too bad. Ready in 2 minutes. I'm probably gonna eat it up like a fat kid loves cake. We're gonna wait on our water to finish boiling. We've got some Buffalo Bob's alligator jerky. This is the Cajun style. Tyler's got the barbecue flavor. And it is some kind of good. How's yours?
It's really good.
If you've never had wild game jerky, I suggest trying some. It's better than beef jerky, which I love alligator. Right now I probably love anything. We're sitting here waiting on our chicken and rice. I wish I had 10 more of those. Next we have some elk. Let me switch this around for you. Some elk, it's hickory, smoked. It's pretty good. The alligator was really good though. I hope we don't have no bear sneak up on us tonight, because we are definitely in bear country. Before we go to bed, we gotta hang our backpacks in the air. That's where our breakfast is gonna be. Sure would have to wake up and our backpacks destroyed with no food. Be pretty upsetting. Alright guys, I think it's time that we go ahead and eat. Check these things out. Smells good. Get some light so I can show y'all what it looked like. Chicken and rice. That's really good. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's because I'm just so hungry, but this is really good. Alright, we've got some stuffed puffs, classic milk chocolate, marshmallows, I just heard something over by the creek. Don't make me have to spray it. Got some bear spray with me, just in case.
Kind of hard to start into.
All right. Looks pretty good. Not too burnt. It's good. Really good. That's hitting the spot. All right. Cook that one a little bit more because the last one, the chocolate, was still hard. So one year we were roasting marshmallows and Tyler actually bit a hot one and the piece of the marshmallow got stuck on his face and it burned him. We're gonna sit here and enjoy our marshmallows. And then we're gonna wash our dishes, get camp cleaned up, make sure we don't have no visitors tonight. And it won't be long, we'll be calling it a night. It's already late. It's 15 till 11. We've got to get up early in the morning. We've got a lot of miles to cover. All right, we're about to go do the dishes real quick. Some pretty clear water. So earlier we were walking down to the stream and Tyler was following behind me and I stepped on some kind of caterpillar and it shot all over him, in his face, on his pants, his shirt. First time for that experience. But we're gonna get our bags packed. We're gonna hang them up in the tree and get ready for bed. All right, they're in the tree. All right, everybody, we are in the tent in our sleeping bags. It is late and we're tired, so we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. It's a little chilly this morning. I was able to get the fire going again. And go ahead and get up and break camp down, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook some breakfast. Slept pretty good last night. Slept a little later than I wanted to, but when I woke up this morning at 5:30, it was still really dark, so I wasn't able to really get up and start breaking down anything. But we're gonna go ahead and get at it so we can get to our rendezvous point. All right, everything is packed up. Tyler's awake, cooking us some breakfast. I have some biscuits and gravy. We're gonna eat and start on our journey back. think it's gonna be like a 4-hour hike. Hopefully we can cut it down sometime. So this is a gravity feeder water filtration system. It's called the water drop. It holds up to a gallon of water. It's done really good since we've been here. You fill it with water. Clip your hose in. Put your filter on. And let gravity do the rest. And you got a bottle of water. It's up there. Alright guys, it's time for breakfast. We got our biscuits and gravy ready. Heavenly Father, thank you for his day and for his food. And keep us safe while we hike on this trail. Amen. You stir it up. It smells really good. Smells just like
Biscuits and gravy.
Southern biscuits and gravy. But I didn't mention last night, this campsite that we're camping at is actually called the McCracken Branch. That's one of the main reasons why I wanted to come on this hike and stay at this campsite. That's our last name, and that's the name of this campsite. Pretty cool. Might be some of the best biscuits and gravy I've ever had. Starting to be a really big fan of Mountain House adventure meals. We're gonna finish eating, finish getting our bags packed, and head on out of here. All right, we're gonna go do the dishes again. Look at the colors of fall, y'all. It's here. All right, we've put the fire out. And say bye-bye to the McCracken. The McCrackens are leaving. Let's go. Our first incline for the day. There goes that smell again. That cinnamon smell. It smells amazing. Look at the colors. Some horse poop. Hopefully we won't have too many inclines today. Well, we were sitting here walking the trail and I was just thinking to myself, where are my sunglasses? I left them at the camp. So it looks like we're gonna turn around. But we're gonna head back, get my sunglasses, and go from there. All right, we just made it back to the McCracken. The McCrackens are back. We're not done with you yet. $300 pair of sunglasses for somebody to grab. I think I'll be grabbing them. Well guys, we've been hiking for probably about an hour now, and we're definitely getting closer. But I am so sweaty. Next big incline. Oh, I don't look forward to these at all. When you're walking up a hill and you're bent over almost halfway, you know it's steep. Well, honestly guys, I think I'm ready for this hike to be over with. This is probably the toughest one I've ever done, terrain wise. It's not for beginners, I'll tell you that. Pretty little waterfall. Let's walk across. And let's jump off. Ah! Just kidding. Well, the hardest part is finally over. We finally made it back to a bigger trail. We're getting closer. And boy, am I ready. I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, but I forgot my hiking boots at home. And I'm wearing steel toe boots. So if you're going hiking, make sure you don't wear steel toes. All right, we are almost done with the strip. We made it back to a bench, taking a little break. Tyler's eating some marshmallows. Just sitting here watching this guy fly fish. Feels good to be almost done. So walking back, and on the whole trip here, I've noticed, and they're everywhere up here, rhododendrons, rhododendron, rhododendron, rhododendrons. They're everywhere. They're an invasive species. Some right here. Some right there. I mean, they're just everywhere. Well, the closer we get back, the more and more people we're seeing. Getting closer to civilization. Well guys, we made it back. We are officially done, and it was fun. If you guys want to see more from What's Cracking Outdoors YouTube channel, be sure to check out our camping and survival playlist, where it's growing by the week, guys. We're gonna go get in the car. Our ride just pulled up. We really hope you like watching our videos, and if you want to see more videos from What's Cracking Outdoors YouTube channel, check out our travel and adventure playlist, where we have many more videos just like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to click subscribe and hit that bell so you will be notified every time we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.